What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Krabby Patty like old SpongeBob SquarePants because Wendy's recently came out with this meal. It's a Krabby Patty meal that Wendy's is putting out. I'm telling you what, Dave Thomas would be, he's not happy about it because I've seen pictures of this thing and it's a sad burger and it's making people mad over it because it just don't look right. It's not like a Krabby Patty. There's no bun with the sesame seeds and none of the things that SpongeBob did over there at the Krusty Krab. So we're gonna redeem it today. Wendy's, you should have called me, buddy. Wendy's, you should have called me. So we're gonna make it right tonight though with my version of the Krabby Patty. So you're saying, like, how do you know how to make a Krabby Patty? Well, boy, I've been watching SpongeBob since it came out the damn gate. That's a good one for me, and I still watch it to this day. I'm 34, 35 years old. I still like to sit there and giggle at old Squidward and such. So let's go ahead and start making our Krabby Patty so we can get on with it. Now, let's go ahead and get some ground beef. That's what you're going to do. You get the ground beef, patty it up into patties, the Krabby Patty. And you know, that's the thing about it. They got the secret recipe, the secret formula that Plankton's always trying to get.
Ravioli, ravioli, give me the formula.
And you never can quite tell what it is, but some people say it's crab meat. I don't believe that because why would Mr. Krabs do such a thing like that? That's just, ooh. So let's go ahead and get our burger and we're going to patty it up. Put it in there and put just a little salt and pepper on it just for flavor, make it good. And I wish I had one of those three-handled spatulas like SpongeBob had when he was slapping the things out to the manchovies, but we're going to do it the right way tonight. We get it good once we get that burger good and golden brown. Then we're going to go ahead and start to assemble the damn thing. And for that, I'll go to the old Krusty Krab training video and let SpongeBob himself tell you how to do it. So this is how it goes.
First bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun, in that order.
You see, it's pretty good. And you know, I know you're in there asking me, Black, why didn't you put the little smiley faces on the pickles and tuck them in like that? Well, first of all, I didn't think I could get it done without making a big mess. And second of all, you know me, buddy, I got time with it. Did it the way SpongeBob did it today. And you're also saying, Black, what about a little jellyfish jelly on there? Well, maybe another day. And hell, you can't even find jellyfish jelly unless I'm going to go to Jellyfish Field, and I might have to tonight. But first, I want to take a sight, and I want to take a bite of that big, beautiful Krabby Patty Deluxe tonight, my friend, if I can. So, yeah, I'm going to. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The Krabby Patty is done, and I'm having one for Patrick. No, I'm having one for me, sir. So, Patrick can have one for his damn self when he can. So, it's a big old burger. And put together nice and right. So, good deal. Have that guy running and screaming about his leg come running at it, too. So,
My leg!
crazy. He's crazy. Buddy, that's the best burger under the sea. Delicious. All those toppings. There's a rhyme to the reason, a reason to the rhyme. The way that they're stacked on there, old SpongeBob, he got it right because it makes it just so delicious going down. That's a good undersea burger. So, I want to thank you by stopping by my pineapple to watch another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to put my clarinet to the side. Me and Squidward are about to dive into this mound of patties, huh? See you later, buddy. Yeah, love you. You.